Hi Blazers, welcome to this Ample Blaze video tutorial. We're going to show you how to turn off SMS notifications in Facebook. Now this just occurred for me, and it was kind of weird because they were asking me to upgrade or update my mobile number in my Facebook profile, which I did, but that automatically turned on my SMS notifications. So I get push notifications not just on the Facebook app, but as SMS messages. And if you're paying for your SMS messages to be received, you don't want that to happen. So what you need to do is click on your icon button here on your desktop, Facebook, and go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, and then in here you will have notifications. And then you can see it's all listed sort of custom. So comments, you can see that that's both. So you click that, and then you just want the push. So turn off the SMS. Then you can go to reminder, that's fine. More about you want to turn that off. So you get SMS, turn it off. Friend requests, we will turn the SMS off. Stages, interesting, whatever that means, we'll turn that off as well. Pages you manage, okay. So this is the Ample Blaze page, so you can see that I will have to turn that off as well. Allow push notifications, yes, that's fine, it's okay. So that seems to be okay for the Ample Blaze page. We'll go back. And that's it. So that's how we turn it off, so you won't get the SMS and you will only get the push and whatever else. Sometimes you get the push in the email or just the push notification. So that's how you do it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, don't forget to send us an email at info@ampleblaze.com. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.